Knowing AI isn't the problem. Applying it where it matters, that's the real challenge. The H2O AI and ML Services learning path is here to close that gap. This structured program gives you hands-on experience with H2O AI's powerful cloud-based AI and machine learning services. This learning path brings together two essential courses. First, H2O Cloud AI Developer Services, where you will work with 4 key service areas: tabular services for scaling machine learning models, language services for customizing NLP solutions, vision services for practical computer vision applications, AI assistance services that streamline your workflow. Then, data science and machine learning platforms takes you further and shows you how to prepare and transform data without the usual headaches, automate machine learning with driverless AI, deploy models that actually deliver business value. Use H2O GPT and Enterprise H2O GPT-E to solve practical problems. Complete this path and you won't just know the tools, you'll be ready to put them to work. Enroll now at H2O AI University and become the hands-on implementation expert your organization needs.